isa kong pamangkin, he can see nung bata siya. There was a time na meron siya tinatawag before na Lola Bumbilya.
Okay.
Lola siya, she can unscrew her head. She can unscrew her head from her body. Kaya siya Lola Bumbilya.
Unscrew her head, Unscrew her head, okay.
Like, unscrew talaga, like,
Oo.
360 ikot
Yes.
ng, and then put it back, Ganun. Ang description niya is yung tita ko na, yung pinsan ng tatay ko, medyo masama kasi yung falling out nila, and she died. Marami siyang regrets, and marami din siyang unfinished business. So, tingin namin doon, siya yun. Fast forward to 2014, and we have a lot of furnitures na galing sa Marikina House. One of those was parang a bar, a mini bar. Parang siyang medyo parang L-shape siya. And nilagay namin siya sa bahay. So, like, centerpiece siya ng bahay namin. And first time nung pamangkin ko yun na pumunta sa bahay namin na yun in how many years. The first thing na sinabi niya sa nanay ko, sabi niya, andyan si Lola Bumbilya. Sabi niya.
Mm-mm.
So, yung soul pala, apparently, if pagtatagni-tagni natin, yung soul nung pinsan ng tatay ko was living in the bar with us.
Yes.
Nakaupo daw siya sa second floor. Nakaupo siya sa harap ng TV. And then, parang merong pair of hands that went from his neck up to under his ears.
Okay.
Yun yung sensation na naramdaman niya. Tapos alam niya na si Lola Bumbilya yun.